You are now tuned in to KOTR, the worldwide Konpa Dance Movie.
Allô, bonjour, bonsoir. N'a dit bienvenue à tout le monde qui suit KOTR. Si c'est pour la première fois, demandez s'il vous plaît, bouton like ou soit subscribe là où elle pèse pour nous, comme ça on va être en courant à tout ça n'a fait yo. If this is your first time tuning in to KOTR, we want you to please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button or whatever it is, and stay in tune with what we're doing, all right?
KOTR, not Montepi
We need to get together because, again, yes, your hair done too? Hair looks different.
I got it done.
Let's go.
I couldn't do it no more.
I feel you. So before we get ready, before we jump into this Gouyad session, let me ask you, so how is Gouyad for you? Do you enjoy Gouyad, actually? When you're at a party, the guy wants to come to you and dance with you. Are you willing to let him come and dance with you? Gouyad music?
Yes, but I'm very much picky, so he has to be somewhat attractive to
You're
me.
picky!
Because
my God!
Only because I'm a weakling. When it comes to Gouyad, I'm one to fall in love. I'm one of the ones that'll fall in love. So he has to be attractive. And by the end of the night, that's my husband. If I dance with you more than, if we're both single and I dance with you at a party more than 2 times or 3 times, you're my man by the end of the night. That's it. Like,
Really?
that's it. That's big.
So, damn. So basically, so if a dude see you on a dance floor, you by yourself, since he's watching this live right now, he's like, oh man, I ain't gonna talk to her because she might not think I'm good looking enough. I might not smell too good. So, but what if he's a great dancer? Like he really want a chance, just want to dance. He just, man, like I can dance. Let me show you what I got. Like you're not gonna let me show you?
I can do that, but you're not gonna have more than like you'll get one song or half a song, because you know one song is like a whole 30 minutes in the Konpa world. So
yeah, that is true. It do last that long. So let me ask you this. So wow, Yankee was like, Carma wants her soul snatched.
Yeah, you gotta have me walking out like, did that just happen? Like, what? You got me.
So listen, has that ever happened to you though? Have you ever left a party and like, man, this dude literally put it on me?
Still on my mind? Yes. Now, don't get me wrong. I can hold my own. He'll probably have the same thought in his head. I ain't gonna show that I'm a wink, but in my head, yes.
Oh, okay, I see. Because I used to be that dude who's like, if I Gouyad with you and I give you and it's to the right song, it's like me buying you a drink. You can't go nowhere. Like you stuck with me for the whole night. I don't want to see another dude Gouyad with you. That's not gonna happen. I'm sorry, that's not.
Exactly.
But I used to be that dude, but then it's like, there's a lot of people could Gouyad really good. So see what's Gouyad is out there. And funny enough, go ahead.
I was gonna say, but see, I'm low-key freshly new to the whole group, like the Konpa world. Like I danced for years, but it was just for fun, or it was just like I go to mom and dad's Haitian party, uncle, aunt's Haitian party, and I could, I'm a dancer, so I can catch on. So if it wasn't for you who like approached me, introduced me to it, then I probably wouldn't really even be in the world right now. So like, to me, group dancing is intimate. I see it as intimacy. So like,
okay,
I can't just dance with anyone, but I'm still slowly but surely like training and just seeing it as just just a dance. We're just gonna keep it moving. But until then, child.
Okay, I see where you're coming from.
Right, we dance the whole party, and you my man's by the end of the night. That's it.
Boy, man. So let me ask you this question then. Hey, okay, so let me ask you this question because you kind of slipped into it a little bit, and I've seen this happen before my eyes, so I have to ask you this question. So have you ever had a situation where a poppy asks you to dance, like a poppy asks you to dance.
Yeah.
Have you got cussed out if you denied him?
Yes.
You've been cussed out before by a poppy. Why?
I don't want to say.
Why?
I don't want to say cussed out, but it was a. I don't know. It was just like a. He quasin. It wasn't like a cussed out, but it was like a he quasin. And it was actually one time.
Oh, like okay.
Right, and it was one time.
Okay, I got you.
Somebody actually low-key put their hands on me. It was like I said no, thank you, and I lied and said, "Oh, my boyfriend's right there." That intimate, that infamous.
Yeah.
And then he said no problem, and when he said no problem, he smacked my back. Like he's like no problem, and just like pushed me aside. Yeah. Some people just can't say no. Yeah, some people just can't take the no.
I see that, and I see just trying to start problems. Wow, Caleb, we're gonna need you to stop dancing with these wives out here, bro. When you go to parties as a man, you need to watch out for these dames, but and make sure that they're not with the men's or the men's not they're watching.
Right.
But Jessica's trying to start problems, talking about how men don't understand rings. Listen, Haitian men don't cheat. I think you just got caught with a Haitian poppy. The Haitian poppy is different. He's different, but Haitian men overall don't cheat. Karma, don't come fight me with this. Just let it happen. Let it happen. Haitian men just don't cheat. Sorry. Let it happen. Anyway, let's get to this.
I have 6 different families. Yeah, I don't cheat.
What?
I have freaking 6 different families.
No habla inglés. Mbaba de baesa. Mbako pon baesa. Mbaba de longsa.
Haitian women.
Yeah, and you're right, Yankee. Yeah,
Haitian women are.
Okay, so now. All right, so that's a whole topic for a whole nother time. Actually, we should make that a topic. But listen, Karma, we're gonna get to the business now. We want to see what moves you got. Like, we want to see your moves. All right. Yes, let's go. So so make sure you took that camera down. We want to see the waistline. We got to see the waistline. Tilt it down a little bit if you could. And then you got music on your end, right? You got music, or you want to play music?
What song y'all want to hear?
Yeah, play some music because people are complaining about how they can't hear my music.
I don't know what song. You gotta help me out.
Any song.
Y'all do a song in
What the hell by Cyclone? What the hell?
No,
that song get everybody pregnant.
No, I'm gonna go back to the original Gouyad song.
Wow, really?
Yeah, I had the trivia yesterday.
Yo, and if you know anybody who's watching live, if you know any good Gouyad songs, post them on here so I can look that up real quick. But ladies, if you're on here, we need some more ladies to go next.
KOTR, not Montepiwo. KOTR, not Montepiwo.